Inside this factory, thousands of bread loaves are baked every day. Machines work non-stop from sunrise to night. A simple food becomes a massive business. Bread is one of the most consumed foods in the world. Millions of people buy it every morning. Behind it is a powerful industrial system. This factory produces bread at incredible speed. Flour enters one end of the plant. Perfect loaves leave the other side. Every loaf begins with simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt. Basic materials with huge demand. Large trucks deliver wheat flour daily. Tons of flour are stored in massive silos. This keeps production running non-stop. All ingredients move into giant mixing machines. Powerful motors knead the dough continuously. The mixture slowly transforms into elastic dough. The kneading process develops gluten structure. This makes the dough flexible and strong. Perfect dough ensures perfect bread. After mixing, the dough rests for fermentation. Yeast begins producing gas inside the dough. The dough slowly expands. Large machines divide dough into equal portions. Each piece becomes one loaf of bread. Uniform size is essential for packaging. Ovens bake hundreds of bread loaves at once. Golden brown loaves emerge perfectly cooked. Workers carefully collect them for packaging. Freshly baked loaves move along cooling conveyors. Machines keep the bread organized and intact. Workers inspect for perfect quality every batch. Some bread is sliced automatically for easy use. High-speed machines ensure perfect uniformity. Consistency matters for customer satisfaction. Bread moves into packaging machines automatically. Each loaf is sealed to keep it fresh. Proper packaging ensures longer shelf life. Labels are applied to show production details. Branding helps customers recognize quality. Every batch is traceable for safety. Packaged bread is stacked on pallets for shipment. Forklifts help move them efficiently. Organization is key for fast distribution.
Manifest verified. All pallets proceed.
Every delivery
Gates
is
opening.
timed to maintain freshness. Distribution ensures bread reaches customers daily.
Fresh bread
arrives
right
on
on
store
time.
shelves quickly. Customers
Ooh,
choose
still
their
warm.
favorite loaves.
Perfect.
The process from factory to shelf is seamless. Managers monitor production
Quality
and
metrics are
inventory
accelerating.
digitally. Data
Moisture
ensures
levels are
machines operate
perfect.
efficiently.
Good. Inventory is
Technology
tracking
keeps the
with
factory
demand.
running
No
smoothly.
shortages.
Machines need regular maintenance to prevent downtime. Workers check moving parts and replace old components. Smooth operations maintain high output daily. By the end of the day, thousands of loaves are ready. Every batch meets strict quality standards. The factory keeps producing consistently every day. This factory generates huge daily revenue. Every loaf sold contributes to the profit. Efficient operations maximize earnings. Distribution
Load faster!
efficiency
Schedule's
increases
updating!
profitability. Timely delivery.
Pallet secured! Next batch!
Delivery
Customers
status
always receive
updated.
fresh bread. Cost control is key to high profits. Minimizing waste keeps expenses low. Every detail impacts the bottom line. Strong leadership ensures
Team,
smooth
how are the
operations.
lines running?
The owner guides staff
Smooth, sir.
efficiently.
No
Teamwork
issues.
drives production
Excellent.
success.
Keep up the great work.
Thousands of
Will
loaves
do.
produced daily. Profits grow. Automation allows large-scale production with fewer staff. Revenue increases every month steadily. Distribution networks expand the business reach. Bread reaches multiple stores every day. A single factory serves thousands of customers. Cleanliness and hygiene are crucial in food production. Staff ensures machines are spotless daily. This keeps bread safe and fresh. Satisfied employees ensure
Stacking them up
smooth
fast
workflow.
today.
Every loaf delivered is a happy customer.
Perfect onto
Team
the track.
efficiency is essential
Next
for
batch
success.
is ready.
Daily production turns
Final
into
report is
monthly
in. Let's
profits.
check the numbers.
A well-run factory creates
Profit
financial
margins up
stability. This business
15%.
proves
Growth is
consistency
accelerating.
pays off. From
On
simple
track.
ingredients to thousands of loaves daily. Hard work and automation make a profitable business. Even the simplest products can generate